This is an error which might appear when trying to download or update applications from Windows Store. Let's try restarting Windows Updates. Right-click on Windows button and select Command Prompt Admin. In Command Prompt environment, type in the given commands one by one, each followed by pressing Enter key. Once you're done, close Command Prompt window and reboot your PC. Now, let's use Services tool to fix Windows Update. Press Windows key +R, and in Run window type in services.msc. Locate Windows Update service in the list, right-click it and select Stop. Do not close this window. Navigate to the given folder in your computer and delete everything inside it. Select Services window once again, right-click on Windows Update service and select Start. After service is started, reboot your PC and check if problem is still there. Now let's remove Windows Store cache. Press Windows key +R, type in the displayed text and press Enter. When you will be shown a command prompt in Windows Store windows, it means that Windows Store cache has been successfully cleaned. Then reboot your PC. Now let's run registry repair. Click on Windows key, type in Change Advanced Startup Options and press Enter. In newly opened window, locate and press Restart button. Wait till your PC restarts to a blue window with 3 choices. Click on Troubleshooting and then on Advanced Options. In Advanced Options window, click on Startup Repair, then wait till you are given a user selection. Click on your user and then enter a password for it. After all this, wait till your PC reboots. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.